Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Back to mine, Franchong Dirgantara from Aceh Airport, from somewhere on earth. So today I'm gonna show you something rare moments where the Asia Airbus A320 landing from runway 35 to heavy rain, heavy winds. With 21 and 25 knot. You see the wind stop, sorry, wind shock. Okay, Asia out there on final right now, runway 35. Usually runway 35 using for landings, for departure or takeoff, but nowadays Asia trying to land with the runway 35. Okay, there Asia on short final, runway 35. Yeah, there you see. Smooth landing, wow, good pilot. Okay, stopping over there. Very nice stop. The wind is absolutely heavy, very strong wind. Thank you for watching.
Masuk ke jadi jahat ya.